People in the club hate it because it's really not original.
Hello, I'm Dante. I'm volunteer at the museum. This is my Citroën.
Thank you.
That used to be an ashtray. It's now the oil and temperature gauge. That, which used to be the indicator, is now an electric fan. Because the indicator is from Morris 1000, which works as a proper indicator. I've had it for 30 years, but I still like looking at the reflections of the sky in the back of the headlamps. We'll take this corner perhaps a bit faster than we should, just to show you how good the road humping is.
It really grips the road. Don't expect it to.
You don't. This little label was supplied by the dealer when he sold the car, so that if you were stopped by the police, they could compare the papers you showed the police to what's on the dashboard. And if they don't correspond, obviously you're up to no good. The air conditioning is original.
Can you actually see the road behind you in that mirror? Because it looks like it's just a mirror to check how your moustache is.
Yeah, check my makeup.